guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Hillary. I'm a mom to a 2-year-old named Sebastian and a 5-month-old named Zebediah. He goes by Zeb. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. Clearly I already got ready. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup. I am in no way, shape, or form a makeup artist, but I do enjoy doing it. I've watched a few videos and kind of enjoy doing it, and I have my own way that I do it. Obviously, like, I'm not professional at all, but I do, like I said, enjoy doing it. So I will go ahead and show you guys how I do my makeup. I don't really have a like casual day-to-day. If I'm literally just like staying at home, I just don't put any on. If I'm putting makeup on, I usually like to do like a full face. I just think it's like, if I'm gonna take the energy to do it, I might as well go big or go home. So I don't really have like a everyday makeup. It's more of just like, if I have somewhere to go and I put on makeup, then I do a full face. I will warn you guys that this video is chaotic. If you hear anything currently, that is my 5-month-old on the bed. He is making a lot of noise. He did as well during the filming process of getting ready. Also, my camera kept falling. I literally had like a box with like a toy basket on top of it, trying to prop my camera up on to film, and it was just an actual nightmare. So it was kind of crazy and chaotic, but we got it done. We filmed the video. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my face, and I have just the Clean and Clear Step 3 oil-free moisturizer. Just gonna moisturize my face, especially because we were at the pool today, so make sure that we okay. So then I use Mary Kay, it's the under eye corrector. I like to use this to just get some of these bags, especially since Zeb did not sleep at all last night. He was up like every hour, so we need quite a bit of eye corrector. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just have the Morph micro brow pencil, and I'm not a makeup artist or professional in any way, shape, or form, so I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I try my best, okay? So I'm just gonna outline this and fill in my brow. And this side. I do not like outline my brows or do anything like crazy to them, because I like them to look natural, so I usually just put enough color in them to make them darker, because without makeup I like don't have eyebrows at all. And then I just use the brush to kind of smooth it, so it looks a little bit darker in the camera than it does like in person. And this lighting is very orange. My apologies. I hear you. I hear you. He's just giggling on the bed, so if you can hear him, that's what you hear. Next I have my Mattify Revolution. You guys keep falling. Zeb. Okay, so this is my primer. And like I said, I don't actually know the order of how you're supposed to put makeup on or anything, but I moisturize and then I prime. If this is wrong and someone knows how to put makeup on better than me, let me know. Because like I said, I'm not good at it. This is just what I do. So, now we're primed. He's literally just playing like with his feet. This is the Anastasia clear brow gel. I got it in a FabFitFun box and I'm obsessed. This is something that like if I ever like when I run out of it, I will have to buy more. I'm not like that with a lot of makeup products because I don't wear makeup that like I don't like put on fancy makeup that often, but I love having that brow gel. It like just holds everything in place. And then I also got this palette from FabFitFun, but I'm obsessed with it. It's the Tarte Pro Glow palette. And then I use this one. I did a get ready with me like 2 years ago, maybe a hot minute ago, and I literally used this same palette and nothing has changed. I still use this same palette because I like to put a just like a very simple neutral color, like a white shimmery on my palette, like on my eye first, and then I add more colors to that. I like to go in with my thinner brush, and I use the Sculpt on the bottom, I'm not even in the camera, the Sculpt on the bottom, the darker color, and I just kind of put it in like my crease line. And again, I am not a makeup artist. These very well may be wrong, but this is like what I do when I am putting on a full face of makeup. So then I like to grab my other brush, and then I have another palette. I also got this one from a FabFitFun box. It's the Pure Be Your Selfie. I used to use it a lot, like it's like pretty empty. But the only color I use now, I really like red because I have blue eyes, which this lighting makes me look orange completely. But I mix the Alluring, Strong, and whatever this bottom one is, the words have run off. And I kind of just like mix in all three of them just to get kind of like a reddish color. And then I put this like just on my actual like eyelid because I just like the way that it blends with the dark brown in the crease, and also the red, like when I put I'm out of breath. When I put the red like color on, it makes my blue eyes pop more when I'm all finished. So I really like the way that looks. So that's what I do. And I just keep going back and forth until I really like it. And just wipe off some of this excess eyeliner or eyeshadow. And then get another brush. And I like to go back in with that like whitish like base color because I feel like once you, someone told me, or I saw it on a video, that like once you highlight like the crease of your eye, the corner of your eye, you like can't ever go back. And I might have even said that in that other video. That's how long I've been doing this. But I like feel that in my core. So I always highlight like the corner of my eye because it just makes your eyes like look brighter. Like look at that. This lighting is absolutely awful, but anyways, makes your eyes look brighter. So I always try to go in and add a little bit more like lightness to the like corner right next to my nose, just so that that has some more light colors to it. Okay, what do we want to do next? Next, I guess let's do some concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD. I'm just gonna put some of this on a couple of these little spots. Surprisingly, right now I don't actually have that many breakout spots, but just put a little bit of that on. And it comes on like a little brush, but I don't really like it. I like to use my beauty blender just to like, I don't know, I don't like the brush on it. Okay, so now for foundation, I use just the Matte Poreless Maybelline Fit I use the Classic Ivory because I'm super pale, but I'm actually not as pale as I thought, because I did one time buy the super white one of these, like the color down that's like literally like white, because I thought I was that color. I was really pleased to put it on and realize that I'm not actually that pale, but then it sucked because I had like a whole entire tube of the wrong color. And yeah, so in the winter months I used to like mix that with a little bit of like this just to use it up, because I felt like so wasteful because I didn't want to waste it, but like if I put it on I literally looked like a ghost, so I couldn't like just straight wear it. Like that would not have worked. So put on a little bit of foundation. Then finally, and then we're gonna put on, this is also just the Maybelline Fit 220 Natural Beige. This is just my, what is this called, pressed powder. And I use a brush. I don't like using the sponge it comes with. I prefer a brush. I know that that is like controversial. I used to always use the sponge and I used to like it better, but things have changed and now I prefer this. So put on some powder, and then we're gonna do some blush. Actually no, I need to do bronzer first. Where's my bronzer? And I don't really know how you're supposed to use bronzer. Not a makeup artist for the 50th time, I've said. So what I like to do is spray brush. Yeah, what I like to do is just put a little bit on my brush, and then I just kind of put a little bit. I don't know how you're supposed to use it, but I like to just kind of like, the way that people contour, I kind of use bronzer just like that. I don't know if that's how people contour, is with bronzer anyways, but I think it is. I don't know. Not a makeup artist, but I like to put some just on my forehead, and then I put some just like below my cheekbones, just to kind of darken those spots, so that when I go back in and put on my blush, and I don't know, I use Tarte. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay. And then my blush is also just the Maybelline. Apparently I'm an idiot and can't open it. This doesn't really say if it's a specific color. Oh yeah, it's on the back. This is just mauve. I like it because it's more purpley and not just straight pink. And I actually probably don't even really need that much because I got sun today at the pool, but what are you talking about? Really? Can y'all see? That is like the same color in the camera as it is in person. I got really sunburned in my head today, so that's fun. Okay, so gonna do highlighter in a second. Let's do eyeliner next. This I also got in a FabFitFun box, and for the longest time it scared me because it's a liquid eyeliner, and I was terrified because I was scared I was gonna like get it everywhere, but I actually really like it. And I can't show you in the camera because if I move it, if you guys saw what you were on, the camera would fall, and it's already fallen like 3 times, so I'm not gonna touch it. So I'm just gonna go right here and put this on really quick, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so got that on. I actually really like it because it is super thin. I don't know if it'll focus. No. Oh, there we go. Well, of course, now that it's focused, the camera's gonna fall. But it's a super thin. This is a total disaster. I am not a good YouTuber. I'm not a makeup artist. Anyways, it's a super thin brush is what I was trying to say, and so I really like it because I can put it on easily. And it doesn't like go everywhere. Anyways, so now I'm gonna do my lips before I do eyeliner. I mean before I do whatever. This is just all day waterproof lip liner. I like to use it all over, not just as a liner. Why does this keep falling? It's like it stays and then it like all of a sudden just starts falling. I don't know why. I'm literally not touching it. This is the It Your Lips But Better. So I put that kind of just outline, but kind of also put it on. And then I have the Kylie Jenner, whatever her Cocoa by Kylie thing is. And I think I'm gonna wear, I think this one is shimmery. Let's do this one. One second, Dada. I'm gonna put on eyeliner and then I'll do my mascara. Really like this highlighter. It's the Milani whatever Hypnotic Lights highlighter. I really like it. I have several highlighters because I really like highlighter, but yeah, let's do my mascara. So I also got this in a FabFitFun box, the Limitless Lash ILIA, whatever brand. Zebby, 1 second, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna take care of Zebby, find my eyelash curler, put on my mascara, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so changed Zebby's butt. He's happier now. The other thing that I use every time I got in a FabFitFun box also, but I'm obsessed with, is this Watermelon Burst setting spray by Crate London. And I put my mascara on and then I just finish it with a setting spray and we are good to go. So yeah, like I said, that is my makeup routine. This is my completed look. I grabbed a pair of just normal hoops, a necklace. I have my lips, my eyes, the whole shenanigans. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I am in no way a makeup channel, so if you're subscribing for makeup content, don't even waste your time. But feel free to subscribe for like fun family content, because I do have a fun family and we do lots of fun things. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!